Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be looking at the Wyze Car Cam. And there it is, the little four-wheel drive off-road vehicle. It's empty right now, but those are the USB connections for the big battery that's right there that comes with it. And then it also has the black Wyze camera on the top, and as you can see, the white version 2 next to it. And the battery slips into the cargo bed. So stay tuned while we look at some more pictures of the Wyze Car Cam. We'd like to ask that you please subscribe, hit the like button, and the notify to stay current with our content. Thank you. Now the remote control you use, and there's the battery blinking right there, and there's it all hooked up and sitting in the cargo bed of the Wyze Car Cam. But you control it from an app on your phone, and that's also where you receive the video back. And then there's the suspension for you. There are the ports on the back that you charge it with. And then around to the front where we look at the version 2 black car cam, and there's a bed for it and all the hookups for it. We originally had it with the white car cam. We haven't gotten the phone app and all coordinated with it yet, but once we do, we'll be showing you it in motion as it runs around. We bought it because we want to look under the deck where the groundhogs are living. This is going to be our way to go in and come back out, because we can always tie a string to the truck, and even if it gets turned over by a groundhog, we can pull it out. So ladies and gentlemen, there's a real quick look at the new Wyze Car Cam that you can buy. Hope you found it useful and informative. Thanks for watching.